the sense of then the sense of love or kindness here from the Mahayana tradition, Mahayana view, then it comes from the understanding of our deeper nature, right? This gentleness, goodness, or the sense of love. It comes from understanding our deeper reality or deeper nature. That our nature of mind, right? Our real nature of mind is Buddha nature. Right? Our real nature of mind is actually full of wisdom and compassion in its own state. Right? In its own state, without even, how do you say, contrivance? Yeah, without even contrivance.
Fabrication.
Effort. Yeah, even without any effort. Even without any effort or adding anything to it, our mind is already in this nature of genuine love, genuine wisdom of awakening in its own state. We don't have to do anything. It's like that. It's like that. And so, therefore, there's no reason to hate ourselves. Right? There's no reason to hate yourself. So therefore, because of this Buddha nature and understanding of our Buddha nature, we can actually feel good about ourselves. But you can feel good about yourself. There's nothing really wrong with you in your own state. In your own original state, there's nothing wrong. So this is a little bit maybe controversial idea, but the Buddhist thought is, Mahayana thought is, that your original state is completely pure and good. There's no sense of original kind of negativity.